First, proceed to classwork.
Click Create.
Then, select Material.
In the title bar, type in the title of your material. To add the material from your Google Drive, simply click Add, then select Google Drive. This time, locate the file which you will upload. To upload your chosen file, simply click it, then insert. Create a topic. Click Post once you're ready to upload it.
This feature on Google Classroom is very useful if you need to share to your students some reading materials, PDF files, presentations news, and even videos. These would be very helpful to your students as they go over your lesson.